Welcome. This is the Hope Center. The Hope Center is a place where we can bring people from all over the country, really all over the world, to come here who want to reach people who have been forgotten, been left behind, living in abject poverty. This is a place where things can change. The Hope Center will be a place where we can reach families, we can reach leaders. We'll do summer camps, we'll do all kinds of leadership training, conferences, job training. This will be a place that actually brings change to people who've been left behind. The people of the San Quintin Valley live on $1.25 a day per person, way below even absolute poverty as defined by the UN. People here work hard, but they just don't make enough money from their labor to even support families. But we see hope coming their way. We need your help. This place, these blocks, these bricks, this cement is going to bring hope to people, but it takes financial resources. Can you help us? Every single bit helps. We're reaching children, we're reaching youth, we're reaching families, but more than anything else, we're trying to change the future. And this is the kind of place that will help us change the future for thousands and tens of thousands of people, and you can be a part. Please help us, and thank you so much.